Good morning, everyone. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day, a day to express our gratitude and appreciation for the wonderful teachers who light up our lives. Teachers are like beacons of knowledge, guiding us through the maze of life. They help us learn, grow, and become better individuals. Teachers not only impart academic knowledge, but also teach us valuable life lessons that stay with us forever. Our teachers are our second parents. They care for us, nurture our talents, and encourage us to dream big. They inspire us to believe in ourselves and to overcome challenges. On this special day, let's take a moment to reflect on the patience, kindness, and hard work that our teachers put into their work. They often go above and beyond to ensure that we understand the subjects they teach and So, in our Teachers' Day celebration, let's not only offer flowers and cards, but also express our heartfelt gratitude. Let's promise to be good students and show respect to our teachers every day. Remember, a teacher's influence doesn't stop in the classroom. It extends into our lives. Thank you, teachers, for being our guiding lights and shaping our future. Happy Teachers' Day!